To everybody, just say hello from Croatian wildness. A little bit in collecting wild healthy herbs. As you can see, I have seen here some sweet pellion, some, I forgot, link. Yeah, this is link. This is my I use it for the zamjena. Sorry, my English is a little broken. I didn't use it 20 years. I use it against oregano, but it's much healthier than oregano, and of course the queen sage, Salvia Officinalis. Unfortunately, we haven't Salvia Divinorum. That's my brothers from America. Salvia Divinorum is good to smoke, and I don't smoke tobacco. It is divisma. So you can see here around me the bushes of sage. A lot of that. On this way there are pretty much Silybum for the liver, etc. This is my apotheca, my pharmacy. Not this. I can say they will delete my video. So, kind regards to everybody from the pretty much peaceful and healthy place. Ciao.